In this video, we're going to look at how to replace the escape key or function keys on any Apple MacBook, MacBook Air or MacBook Pro which features the scissor style clips. To remove the escape keycap, you can insert your key tool under the right hand side, like so, keeping your finger placed on the right hand side to prevent the keycap from shooting off. You can then gently raise the keycap like so, detaching it from the clip below and lifting the escape key off. You can then remove the clip below by inserting your tool underneath the two pins on the left hand side to pry it off like that. Before reinserting the clip, it's important to make sure that the clip is the correct way around. This rectangle here should be on the right hand side, as it's that which hooks onto this hook here. To reinsert the clip, simply place it over the hook, making sure that it is attached to the hook like so. You can then apply a small amount of pressure to the bottom and the top of the clip, clipping it back into place. To reinsert the escape key, you can simply place it over the top like so, making sure that the right hand side is now sitting flush with the casing. You can then apply a small amount of pressure to the top and the bottom left side like so to reattach the keycap. If you need a replacement key for your laptop, you can visit macreplacementkeys.com and use our helpful key finder form. From here you can select your device. In this case we'll put a MacBook Pro. You can then insert your model number. In this case I'll put A1708. If you're not sure where to find your model number, you can find that on the bottom of your laptop and it will look something like this. You can then press buy replacement keys and then simply select the keycaps and clips should you need them that you need from the drop down, and then press add to basket and then check out with your preferred payment method.